So family, now we are in the next day. That is our oil still in this pot. Look at this. The oil infused and smell amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is to transfer the oil in this jar, and I will leave it again like 1 week in this jar. Then I will come and strain the oil. Okay, so let's just put it here in this jar. Don't be afraid of this jar. I just like the head. I just like the hair of human. I don't know. It's just funny for me. So then cover it. So that is our oil. Like I was saying, I will leave it in this jar in a cool place, dark place for 1 week. Then I will come and strain it and add the other oil that I have to add inside, and the oil will be ready to use. So wow, look nice. Okay, see you in 1 week time. Have a nice day. Bye. So family, that is our oil. So after 1 week, it's even more than 1 week, I think 8 days. That is the oil. Look at this gorgeous oil. My gosh. Oh, then it smells so good. I just have to mix it again. Oh gosh, look at this. Love the way everything comes. So this oil is very good. Rosemary leaf and aloe vera. Oh, this oil will give you what we call nice hair, healthy hair, shiny hair. Your hair will grow like crazy. Your hair will be thicker and nice, healthy. And you know, rosemary is strengthening the hair. Rosemary is making hair to grow, is promoting hair grow. So rosemary is very good for our hair, and aloe vera, my god. So look at it, look at all those, only 2 ingredients and some oil. So now what I'm gonna do is just to strain the oil. You know, we don't need our oil like this. We have to strain it from the particle of rosemary and aloe vera. So I add this wig cap. As though the wig cap is new, you have to use new wig cap because it's oil, and oil doesn't have to, our oil doesn't have to have any bad thing on it. So let me just add it. So look at the oil. So that is our oil. I just have to press a bit so that all the oil inside can come out. Look at the way gorgeous the oil is. Gorgeous, look at it. I love the color. Wow. Hi. My gosh. Very, very good. So now that is what remains. Those are the particles of aloe vera and got it. Aloe vera and rosemary. But I'm not gonna throw this one away. I'm not gonna throw it away. It will be the topic in another video. Can you see? Because all my gorgeous oil are inside. I'm not gonna throw it away. Okay, that is it. So now can you see this gorgeous oil? So now what I'm gonna add in this oil is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very good for our hair. Grapeseed oil add moisture to our hair, add shine. Grapeseed oil is very good for our scalp. You can make like scalp massage with this oil. This improve the blood circulation on the scalp and provide nutrients. So it's a very, very good for people who have itchy scalp or dandruff. This oil is great for them. So now I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. So then now is the time to add our essential oil. Today I'm gonna go with tea tree oil, and I also gonna go with lavender oil to give also nice smell. So let me just give you some benefit of those two oil. Lavender essential oil boosts hair growth, stimulate blood circulation on the scalp. This oil is antioxidant, give nutrient to the hair, give you thicker hair, healthy hair, and prevent hair damage. That means for people who have issue with their hair, that's the hair is damaged, if you are making your DIY oil, you add a lavender essential oil on your carrier oil. Very good. So the benefit of tea tree oil is very, very good for the scalp. You can use tea tree oil as a shampoo. You add it into your shampoo or other, like your leave-in conditioner. It's condition the hair, it strengthens the hair. It's very good for the scalp. You can make massages with it, remove scalp residues, release symptoms of dandruff and head lice. So donc j'ai d'abord ajouté l'huile de raisin. J'ai ajouté une cuillerée à soupe l'huile de raisin, et maintenant je vais ajouter l'huile de lavande pour donner aussi une bonne odeur. Et puis je vais ajouter cette huile ici de l'arbre de thé. Voilà, donc cette huile ici est très, très bien pour la circulation sanguine, pour le cuir chevelu. Il est vraiment bien pour le cuir chevelu. Donc pour les gens qui ont les problèmes de démangeaison sur le cuir chevelu, cette huile ici est très, très bien. Et celle-ci également, dont les deux huiles essentielles sont très bien pour le cuir chevelu. Voilà, donc il faut faire votre massage avec, et puis voilà, si vous avez des problèmes de démangeaison et tout. Donc en fait, cette huile que j'ai faite, cette huile-ci est vraiment bien. Donc je suis en train de voir, parce qu'il y a des gens qui me disent qui ont des problèmes de démangeaison, qui ont des problèmes donc démangeaison de cuir chevelu, qui ont des problèmes de pellicule. Donc c'est pour cela que j'ai fait cette huile-ci. Donc cette huile-ci va vous aider à éradiquer le problème de démangeaison, à éradiquer le problème, la cause des pellicules. Voilà. Let's just add some drop of tea oil. I'm gonna add like 5 drops, like this. Then I'm gonna add lavender. Let me just mix everything. This oil is very good. Why I make this oil? I make this oil because every time, if you don't know, I always go to the city and meet people and give them my flyer for hair, for my YouTube channel, telling them that story that I'm doing hair, natural hair. So then I ask them some questions. Then they always tell me they have issue with their scalp. They have scalp itches. They have dandruff problem, and they have hair damage. So that's why I went and make this oil, because this oil will solve many problems. It's like 5 in 1. The oil will go and stop hair loss. The oil will go and stop itchy scalp. The oil will go and stop dandruff, the cause of dandruff on your scalp. The oil will go and stimulate your follicle, stimulate the blood circulation. That it is. So now that we finish everything, so we have just to go and add our oil on the bottle. So I got those bottle here on my local store here. I love them. I just love them the way they are. So I think they are 140 ml ish. So I just try to add the oil inside. This oil is very, I say very rich, because rosemary and aloe vera, oh my gosh. So then grapeseed oil, olive oil, almond oil, all the oil I add inside, they are just gorgeous. So I'm gonna add now. I don't know how many bottles you will give me, but let me just try it. Family, those are my oil. Look at this, gorgeous, overloaded. So donc ça, ce sont des huiles. En fait, j'ai acheté 4 bouteilles, mais il y a une autre qui s'est cassée. So I bought 4 bottles of those bottles, but one is damaged. So but the remaining oil, I put them in those small bottles that I will give to my friends and family to try. Okay, this is give away. So that is, those are the oil. This oil is very good. If you want to try it, just try it and let me know in the comments. With this oil, your itchy scalp is gone, dandruff is gone, damaged hair is gone. Is giving you, is helping your hair to grow thicker and healthy, so, and strengthen the hair also. That is how to use the hair. You just have, you can make this hair like people. You can put it in your DIY conditioner. You can use it as your moisturizer. You can also use it as scalp massages. You put on your scalp and massage it. So that the oil is, it has everything. So that's what I wanted to show for this video. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please, if you are not subscribed, just subscribe to help your sis, and like the video, share it. It will help somebody there outside. And so comment also if you try it or if you're gonna try it. So I will be glad to hear your comment. Okay, so bon, voilà, nous sommes arrivés à la fin de la vidéo. Merci d'avoir regardé jusqu'à la fin. Je t'ai pas encore abonné, s'il te plaît, abonne-toi pour m'aider, pour m'encourager. Voilà, et puis cette huile est très très bonne. Comme je disais, si vous avez des problèmes de démangeaison, vos démangeaisons du cuir chevelu vont finir. Si vous avez d'autres problèmes sur votre cuir chevelu, tous ces problèmes vont finir. Et puis ça va aider à booster vos cheveux, à booster la pousse, à fortifier vos cheveux, à leur donner de la brillance également. Voilà, donc c'est ça quoi. Alors on se retrouve dans une autre vidéo. Portez-vous bien. Bye.